Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Authenticator with Instagram to add an extra layer of security to your account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Authenticator app and log into your account. This app will generate time-sensitive codes that you'll use to verify your identity whenever you log into Instagram from a new device. Once you've successfully logged into Google Authenticator, it's time to set things up on Instagram's end. Open your Instagram app and log into your account. After you're on the Instagram dashboard, tap on the three-bar icon in the top right corner of your mobile screen. This is your settings menu, and it's where you'll find all the important account configuration options. From your settings menu, tap on Accounts Center. This is Instagram's centralized hub for managing security and account settings across Meta platforms. Next, head to Password and Security. This section contains all the tools you need to protect your account from unauthorized access. Under the password and security settings, locate the two-factor authentication option. This feature is crucial because it adds an additional verification step beyond just your password, making it significantly harder for anyone to access your account without permission. Tap on it to proceed. Now you'll need to select the account you wish to enable Google Authenticator on. Choose the profile with the Instagram icon if you have multiple accounts linked. Once selected, you'll see different authentication methods available. Select the Authenticator app option by tapping on the radio button next to it, then press Next to continue. You'll now be presented with a 16-digit key on your screen. This key is what links your Instagram account to your Google Authenticator app. Tap on Copy Key to save this code to your clipboard. Make sure you copy it correctly as you'll need it in just a moment. Now head back to your Google Authenticator app. Tap on the plus button located on the bottom right part of your mobile screen. This button allows you to add new accounts to your Authenticator. From here, you'll see two options for adding Authenticator to your Instagram account. Select Enter a setup key to proceed with the manual entry method. All you have to do now is paste in the 16-character key from Instagram that you copied earlier. You'll also need to add in a name for this account in the field provided. This name helps you identify which account the code belongs to, especially if you're using Google Authenticator for multiple services. For example, you might name it Instagram Main Account or just Instagram. Once everything is configured correctly, press the Add button. Once added, you'll be presented with a 6-digit verification code that refreshes every 30 seconds. This is the code you need to enter back into Instagram to complete the Authenticator link. Head back to Instagram and enter this code in the verification field to finalize the setup. And that's it. You've successfully linked Google Authenticator with your Instagram account, adding an important security layer to protect your profile. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.